Alright, so today we're gonna be working on the brown hatch. Well,
I'm about to go get dressed then.
fake, I ain't about to work on nothing. It's about to be that guy right there working on everything. That guy right there.
Talking about?
There we go, that boy right there. But yeah.
Yo, Tom. Hold on.
Hold on.
Hello?
Ooh, fuck you, cause I'm about to do the same shit to my shit. Defend the track life cutouts.
I forgot.
I've been saying I was gonna do that shit, bro. He had it first, yes.
Listen,
But fuck you.
you ordered me from Honda the
And what the hell are you doing? Like, you know what the fuck you doing?
Changing the whole suspension.
Changing the whole suspension. You know how to do that? Where you know how to do that at? I could swear you always need somebody working your shit.
It's just
Certain parts, okay? I got this. Shit.
Oh, alright, my bad. I apologize. Oh, okay, wait. Told you he don't know what the fuck he doing.
Oh, I found it. Shut up. Alright.
I got murder on my mind. No, get away from me.
Ray, I miss you.
I miss me too. Alright, so when you copping these wheels off me?
Get on my face, nigga.
So you not copping? I got a buyer, bro.
Yo, I told you.
I'm giving him the super low price, and he's slacking. That you said that last week, so that's this week. Let's go.
No, I meant the last week.
So wait, do you have the thing that to pull out the rotor, the screws? That big screwdriver one, the one that's to pull out the rotors?
To pull out the rotors?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
These.
Oh, to get those out. Yeah, you can't.
No,
get-
there's a special screwdriver for it.
Yeah, I know which one you're talking about. The one that you hit it and it turns
And
a
it
little
turns
bit.
by side. Every
Yeah,
time you
yeah,
hit,
yeah.
it would turn it.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. The impact, like the impact screwdriver
Right.
shit. Nah, I don't got one.
No, that's why I didn't. I left it like that.
You already tried with a regular screwdriver to get that out?
No. Because all my screwdrivers are from Harbor Freight and they're plastic.
So?
Instant break.
I mean, I guess. Woo. Yo, get this shit done, bro.
All right.
What are you recording?
Get this shit done, bro. You taking mad long to do
I'll
nothing.
take my time on everything.
Wow, I was sitting on the whole time. Yo, I knew it was over here.
What?
The pressure plier.
You didn't feel that in your ass, bro?
Nah, man, that was in my side cheek.
I know you recording me.
So you like shit on your side cheek, huh?
Yeah, nigga. I got a big butt, my nigga.
I got a big butt.
When I was looking at it through here, right through over here, it looked like it was from the inside.
So what's the new one?
The new one, I got you right now.
You asked if he wanted to trade cars because of how easy it is to change the upper control arms.
Like,
Yeah, but think about everything else that is easier to do in your car than this car.
The motor, nigga.
Exactly.
The motor's way easier. I'd rather deal with that.
Ooh, first parts.
oh, so you gonna record my parts? I
Nah,
got camera
we
kit.
gonna skip over you completely. Ooh, fresh parts.
Got some fresh parts.
Ooh, got the red shit popping.
Dusted and
Aye.
Oh well,
They not fresh no more.
they ain't fresh no more, but it's okay.
God damn, look at
just like
that.
Tony's grandson. Shit.
Ooh, wee.
Well, those are wrong. You can't even test on those.
Shit's right.
Yeah, this one don't say right, left, none of that.
We'll just match it up. It don't even look like it matters right and left. Oh wait, just the bolt pattern on
It
top.
doesn't matter underneath though.
Yeah, on the bottom I'm saying it don't matter, it's just the bolt pattern.
Yeah.
And then you can just spin it.
Yeah, because that shit looks like, if you flip it around, the other way, It's supposed to go through that one.
Go like this?
Yeah. I think it don't matter at all.
The worst that'll happen is if you put it on backwards, if you hit a bump on your left, you'll feel it on your right. Fuck it, dude.
So you had a surprise, right?
More car parts? Oh, wait, do you want this on the vlog?
No, the penny's gonna cry.
Okay, fuck it. I'll cut it out. Well, alright. I guess I'm really slacking, huh? You can agree with me. I know I'm slacking.
Alright, let's go to the next one.
Totally ignores the comment. Okay. I like it.
You're not slacking. You know why you're not slacking?
Huh.
Because you got a whole bunch of parts.
Shh.
You already put it in the block.
I got more parts than what I put on the vlog, nigga.
Right.
Oh wait, shit. No, I don't.
You got a whole bunch of parts. The one that's slacking, I always have a conversation with.
Daddy.
You're not going. Oh my God, focus, bitch. Yo, what the fuck?
Like, what the fuck?
What the?
And
Them trailing on bushings though. Looking real caliente.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's how you do it. Ah, I gotta hold the shit.
the fuck I'm here for, my nigga?
You was doing the shit over there. What the fuck you want to do? Oh, man.
Who man's is this?
That's your man's, because your man's in
Who man's is this?
No, that's your
Who man's is this? I feel like you're making my job.
Stick bend it down to the bottom.
Pause, you bend down what?
You want to bend it down? Yo. You know what? Go home.
What are you talking about, nigga?
You're fired.
You're fired.
You only can,
Oh, they wanna fuck
you only
me.
can stand me because I built his car.
Damn.
Fuck up, because I would have been something that shit 1, 2, 3, nigga.
That kind of plays into what he said.
I know, but still, it doesn't matter.
Yo, I can't. Tony, so what's your car name? You named it? Oh no.
Yeah,
What's the name?
Reina.
Right, that is the name. Okay, yeah, I remember that. So, what's your next plans for Reina? Besides what you doing?
Okay, for the future.
Oh, right hand drive.
Oh, okay.
Not going K.
K24 turbo on the bottle and right hand drive.
Nah.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Too much, nigga.
That boy about to be quick.
If you gotta do it, go on my page. I don't mind.
Oh, go for.
Yo, after it go K, listen. After it go K, then it go right hand drive. We wait a year, and then it goes turbo.
Turbo and nitrous.
Nitrous, man.
Why not?
Nitrous to the turbo.
Woo-hoo.
Like a spool faster.
Damn, nigga, you trying to be
Nigga wants just the front to go, nigga, and not leave the back behind.
What you need the back of the car for? It's gonna be a pretty race car. After you go K and shit, would you track it? You wouldn't even run it on the track? Just to see what it's doing? You ain't gotta, you gotta open it, but you ain't gotta
See how much?
push it to the limit.
See how much it goes?
Yeah,
Just have fun with it.
exactly.
I know I'm doing it to this one.
I've already made up my mind. I'm
Once this
going a
one's like-
slightly different route with my shit too.
Once I'm gonna hit it on the track. I have to hit this one on the track.
See me, I want to do circuit though.
This one, it has to go on the track.
So you, after hearing that, you don't feel inspired to at least run it one time? One.
Maybe one time only, that's it.
Yeah, just so that we can see it do 15 seconds down the track.
Sure.
On a 600 and plus horsepower car.
But Tony's driving.
That's why I said 15 seconds on a 600.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So we here.
Yeah. Got you. 'Cause right now he's probably doing like 30 seconds.
Yeah, on a good day. Shit, we don't even want to hear what Alan doing on the track.
You must be bored.
Nigga focus on that nigga so hard. Nigga brought the camera right to his face.
I know he's gonna do mad editing and shit with that crap.
Alright, so boom. Everybody done here for the most part. Shit is locked up. Nice and tight.
Boy gang.
Everything closed up. We about to head to the city, get some halal food.
Yeah, by like an hour or two.
I'ma cut it out, they not gonna know. Don't worry, y'all not gonna have to wait an hour.
You just tap the
Just,
lens and you're
exactly, you feel me? Oh shit, that's the wrong way. There we go. Alright, so we out here in Manhattan somewhere. About to get some halal food to this bitch. Hey! Hey! What up, y'all? Alright, so we out here at Halal guys. Getting some food. It's about to go down.
Carlos got it.
Got the halal food on deck. You feel me? Word.
Alright, boom.
Alright, so boom.
Alright, boom.
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 So. Alright, so boom. Alright, so boom.
Alright, boom.
Alright, so we going.
Alright, boom.
we taking a little walk down to like 2nd Avenue or whatever the hell it is. Going to shit dark as hell. Going to Insomnia Cookie. Get some dessert after the tasty halal food. Oh, god damn, the lights is everywhere. Alright, so let's try this again. We're going to Insomnia Cookie to get some banging ass cookies. Yeah, we out here mobbing like hella deep. But
Well, you did it separate. Oh, that's two?
yeah,
There's seven play time.
this is it. Yeah, that little ass restaurant, that little ass spot that we all about to pack into. It's like 13 of us. So nobody going in there? Look. Danny fat ass ran to that bitch. Cookies?
They gonna call, yo, can you give me some 3 cookies? Nigga, bring that.
For 3 cookies, bitch, you better try again. Oh.
My nigga, drunk?
He just got up like you.
Chill, nigga. Let me get my fix my phone. Sorry.
Oh shit, man. Porsche 911.
Woo! Not your car.
Oh. It actually not. I'm like, record that shit.
I am recording that shit.
Just put it right on his face. Put it right on
This
his face.
lens don't do that. I can't get too close.
Right there. Just put it right there. Hey. Oh.
Not your car, nigga.
Tony, do the face. Tony, do the face. Tony.
Really, nigga?
Yo, you said you don't want cookies, bro. I know you like cookies.
Look at this nigga.
And on top of that, they have milk. So you can have cookies.
Alright, but why you holding your hand like that though?
Cause that nigga somebody auntie. Bitch, you better come get you some cookies.
Danny, I'm not trying to get bigger.
You already mad big, bro. Look at your chest.
Yo, that's
Whoa!
I can use that shit as a tabletop.
A tabletop. Can I get a yeah?
Yeah.
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 My man.
Yo, he called me with a surprise. Cause I was like, yo, who said that right next to me?
They got mints.
They got mad different shit.
Let me see. Let me see.
Nah, you good?
I'm not gonna buy it. I ain't gonna
It look like fucking cookies.
I'm not saying how big is it? No homo.
You wanna see how big it is, nigga?
If you want, dude, I see you looking at his box. I'm just fucking looking to see what's so special about it.
It's not the look, it's the taste, bro.
Oh. You can look all you want. Nothing. You want a group picture? Right here with the lights, just keep going on.
Let's do it.
Right here.
Hold up.
Y'all take the picture.
A year, can I get up?
Now we gotta be on this side.
Yo,
I was about to hit my own nutsack. I'm trying to have another kid, boy. Stop playing, man. Get your chin, boy. Stop playing, boy. Stop playing.
nah, we lit. Y'all gotta crouch though. Y'all.
Because I'm short.
All right, don't worry. I got you. Boom, perfect. You ain't gotta crouch.
Oh, wait. Whoa.
Yeah, you good. Yo, Danny and Alvin, slide over just a little bit so I can run in and slide right there. You feel me?
I'm scared of heights, nigga. Ay, buena, pa.